If you want to mute the camera sound or the shutter sound on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then unfortunately you will not be able to find a dedicated option or setting that would allow you to just simply disable that sound. However, there is something that we can do. Generally speaking, if we go to settings and choose sounds and vibration and then go to volume, then you can turn the system volume all the way down. You can pretty much mute system volume, and then the camera sound is going to be disabled. Of course, as a result, we don't have any system sounds whatsoever, but generally speaking, what I'm trying to say is that the camera sound belongs to the system category over here. So if you don't mind really turning off the system volume, then you can do that. And there is one more trick that we can do. We're gonna go back to settings and we're gonna proceed to modes and routines. Then over here in modes and routines, we're gonna go to routines, and then you want to use this plus button here. Now here we're gonna choose the trigger. So in if we want to find, let's scroll down, app opened. This is the one that we are looking for. We're gonna press OK over here, and then choose once again app opened. And you want to choose the camera and tap on done. Now we're gonna choose the routine. So here in the then section, we want to tap here, and you want to find sounds and vibration. And then you want to choose this option over here, sound mode and volume. And here we're gonna turn the system volume all the way down and tap on done. And we're gonna save. Of course, over here we can set up the routine name and change the icon and everything. In my case, I'm just gonna tap on done. All right, so now that we have this routine, we should be able to automatically mute system sounds whenever you open the camera. So now if I go to the camera, system sounds are muted, and therefore the camera sound is also muted. There is no sound whatsoever. And if I exit the camera, these system sounds should return. You should have them back enabled back again. So that kind of solves the issue. Leave a like and subscribe.